Ready? Start. The appellant K. Raghupati has approached this court being aggrieved by the impugned order dated 23rd May 2018 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, thereby dismissing the writ petition being writ A number 51962 of 2014 filed by the appellant, thereby challenging the communication of the respondent number 3 registrar, Gautam Buddha University, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, herein after referred to as the said university, dated 12th August 2014, informing the appellant that his services stands discontinued. Stop para. The facts in brief giving rise to the present appeal are as under: para. In response to the advertisement issued by the respondent number 3, the appellant had applied to the post of senior scientific officer. Stop. After undergoing due selection process, the appellant came to be selected and appointed as senior scientific officer on contractual basis in the said university wide its order dated 3rd August 2011. Stop. The said appointment was initially for a period of 2 years. Stop. The appellant's services were extended for another period of 1 year by the said university wide its order dated 7th August 2013. Stop. Para. However, YD communication of the said university dated 12th August 2014, the appellant was informed that the period of his contractual appointment had expired on 11th August 2014 and he was directed to complete the formalities regarding relieving from the service. Stop. Being aggrieved thereby, the appellant approached the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad by filing writ petition being writ number 51962 of 2014. Stop. Wide the impugned order dated 23rd May 2018, the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad dismissed the said writ petition. Stop. Hence, the present appeal. Stop. We have heard the appellant in person and Sri Vibhav Misra, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondents. Stop. Para. The appellant has submitted that he was appointed after following the due selection process, and as such, his services could not have been terminated without holding an inquiry. Stop. He further submitted that though YD communication of the said university dated 12th August 2014, the appellant has been relieved, in effect it would amount to punitive termination. Stop. He further submitted that the aforesaid communication is passed in a mala-fide manner. Stop. Para. Sri Misra, on the contrary, submitted that the appellant's appointment was purely contractual, and as such, the appellant did not have any right to continue in service after the expiry of the contractual period. Stop. He therefore submitted that no interference is warranted in the impugned order of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad. Stop. Para. Sri Misra further submitted that since the appellant was indulging into certain activities, which were detrimental to the interest of the said university, it was found that the appellant's continuation in service was not in the interest of the said university. Stop. Para. It will be opposite to refer to the relevant part of the supplementary counter affidavit filed on behalf of the said university before the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, that consequent to the aforesaid amendment made by the state of UP, in the statute of the university, it is obligatory on the university to initially appoint employees only on contractual basis